Hello students, our chapter is Life Cycle of Plants and Animals. Last class we have discussed the new words of this chapter. Today we'll start with the topic Life Cycle of a Plant. See, at first the seed, we will place a seed in the soil, okay, and then it starts germinating, and then a root begins to grow downwards from the seed. After some time, we see a shoot coming out. That is, the shoot grows upwards towards the sun. This is called germination. See, if the plant receives sunlight, okay, with the help of sunlight, it can easily produce its own food, that is starch. So the plant receives food, water and proper warmth, it can easily grow well. After few days, the stem grows bigger and the first leaf appears on it. So gradually, the plant bears more leaves, and after a period of growth, we can see a bud appearing, and then the bud turns into a flower in a few days' time, and then the flower then gets pollinated. What is pollination first? See, pollination is nothing but it's a process of carrying the pollen from male parts of a flower to female parts of the flower. So, with the help of insects, winds or some animals, it can help. These helps in the pollination of a flower. So, after pollination, the flower withers away. The leaves will fall down, and then a fruit is formed. This fruit contains seeds. So automatically it will grow big and then it will ripen. So this ripe fruit has many seeds hidden on it, maybe hidden inside it. Okay. So animals, birds and humans eat the fruit and throw away the seeds. Again the seeds get dispersed and some grow back into plants. So this process, this whole cycle continues. See, some plants can grow into new plants even without seeds. Some examples of this are rose, lily, potato and onion. See the important terms. I said no, what is germination? Germination is nothing but the shoot grows upwards towards the sun. This process is called germination. Pollination, the process of carrying the pollen from male parts of a flower to the female parts of a flower. That is called pollination. Answer the following questions. What are the requirements for plant growth? What is germination? What is pollination? Write some plants which can grow into new plants even without seeds. Draw the life cycle of a plant. Refer chapter 4, Life Cycle of Plants and Animals, page number 46.